This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download CapCut on a Mac. So I'm right here on my Mac. I'm on the main CapCut download page. Once you're here, you can literally just click this download button, download for free. Once you click that, it will instantly download, and that will wind up in your downloads location on your Mac, which for me, by default, I'm using my Chrome browser, so that goes to the main downloads folder, which is a default. So what I've got as well is if you follow my link, which I have up here in the URL bar right here, mattbusiness.com/recommend/CapCut. If you follow that link, you can click that in the video description, and I've got this special offer right here through CapCut that will give you 7 days of Pro for free. So you don't need to bother kind of putting your credit card in or anything. You don't need to actually pay for anything right now. You can just follow my link. You get the 5 days, the free trial of CapCut Pro for free for 7 days. You can check out the platform, see if it's for you. If it's not, you can easily just cancel and you don't pay a thing. If it's for you, then you can continue using. So that is how to download CapCut. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.